Today is the 29th day being Monday of September 2025, and yesterday was 28 being Sunday. There is something that happened at Okigwe, Imo State yesterday. A special police squad from Abuja, they were going from Okigwe, Imo State to Port Harcourt, Rivers State, and they were attacked yesterday. Almost all the police officers in that squad were rushed to hospital, and on the arrival at the hospital, one of them confirmed death. We have not received any news if others are still alive or not. And the Nigerian police force are accusing the ESN or ipob as usual. You know, this is in the normal thing they use to any attack that happen. They will always say it is ipob or ESN. Then this is allegedly. They have not confirmed, they have not done investigation, but any attack that happened, you know, in especially in Southeast, you know, police are very quick to call ipob or ESN. Now, before we go into the details of this, this article or this news, I just want you to understand that the issue of insecurity in the Southeast can be stopped. Yes. The issue of insecurity in the Southeast can be stopped. There is no need for innocent people to be dying unnecessarily. Both the police, both the military, both the civilians, at large number innocent people. All these things are not important. They are not important. Now, I think one of the major solutions to stopping this insecurity in the Southeast is the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And this is the reason why I have always suggested that this man should be released. Number one is that before his detention, there is nothing like insecurity at this magnitude in the Southeast. What I discovered is that a lot of people, including politicians, we sponsor boys for political reasons. A lot of criminals, again, independent criminals, will still come and carry out attacks. Some of them will carry out kidnapping. And at the end, they will put it in the head of ipob, yes. These are pure criminals. They have no connection with all these things. But they have to answer the name so that people will not even fight the people who are terrorizing. They will just say, hey, this is Nnamdi Kanu people. This is absolutely wrong. You see, unless they are deliberately doing this, unless the police, the governor, the politicians are deliberately doing it for the reason best known to them. If not, Nnamdi Kanu have said this time without number, even on the court room, that if he's being released today, that insecurity in Southeast will stop. Why? Because that there are people who are doing that, taking the credit that, oh, this man is in detention, we can carry out these things and we'll say we are this, or they will put the allegation on them. This has been my position since. Everybody have their own opinion, everybody have their own position, but this has been my position since. Then, when you look at every insecurity in Nigeria, they have different levels and magnitude. I have always suggested solution, because when you see how insecurity starts or how it began, how it started, you'll be able to easily discover the solution. Let me give you another example. Boko Haram. We all know why Boko Haram started. They said they want a Sharia state, and the only thing that could stop all this attack of Boko Haram, yes, the people that believe in Sharia state should have their state. Don't deny them. Because most politicians are also sponsoring Boko Haram, and the fight will never end. It will be perpetual. It will be perpetual. See, these are just simple things to do that will save millions of people not to die. Boko Haram said they need Islamic State. Whether you like it or not, people in government are sponsoring them. And those in government share the same idea with them. Give them what they want. If it is in the north, let them have a referendum. Give Boko Haram what Boko Haram want. Because I saw military men promising Boko Haram people that they should repent, they can become president. So we know that yes, these people are sponsoring them. They don't call this, they are not threats. For you to tell a terrorist that he can become a president, meaning these people are not threats. In fact, one of my friends used to call them freedom fighters. You understand? They need their own Sharia state. So if they have Sharia state, if they want to, they know how to do it. If they want to burn their state, let them burn it. In the Southeast, there have been agitation for the actualization of Biafra, okay? Now, in the agitation, how would I put it now? Resurrected again. I think I should use that word. The agitation resurrected again in 2014, 2015, when APC imported terrorists into the country. That was when a lot of people, including Nnamdi Kanu, said, no, I have to come and save my people. We need our own country. It's not under our nose that a politicians, a political party will import terrorists into the country And the terrorists will surely go on rampage and kill people. They predicted what is going on today. And what happened? That is these bandits we are seeing today. APC government imported it. Do they deny it? No. Do they accept that they imported it? Yes. How many times? 7 times. On national television, on newspapers, on video. They came to national television. They will say, yes, we imported those militias to remove Jonathan. The reason why we imported them is not to destabilize Nigeria. It's just because we needed some votes. As I said, these people all have downgraded the mentality of Nigerians as fools. Because if Nigerians, they don't see us as fools, very big fools, they will not come on national television and brag that they imported Fulani militia who have killed almost 1 million people, and everybody is keeping quiet. That is why sometimes if I look people, including people that are agitating, if I look some of them, I say, these people are not serious. These people are not serious. We lack strategy. We lack everything. These politicians, first of all, supposed to be behind the bar. But who can do it? Nobody. Kunle Olaomi, former head of military intelligence agency, said something. He said, we needed to stop this, but we've got to arrest the president, arrest senators, arrest governors for we to stop this insecurity. So these people are untouchable. Do you now understand that this thing is going to be perpetual? So now let us come back to what is going on in the southeast about this issue of insecurity. Don't let anybody deceive you that the army or police are in the southeast, they are doing this, they are doing that. It's not going to stop the problem. It's not going to stop the problem. If they will release, and if they can release Nnamdi Kanu today, the narrative will just change. And I believe that people who are sponsoring this insecurity in the southeast don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. They don't want him to be released. If you see anybody saying that Nnamdi Kanu should not be released, number one suspect of the insecurity in the southeast today. Number one suspect. Now, let's understand the details of what transpired in Okigwe. As reported by Sahara reporters, it reads that men of the IGP Special Intervention Squad, CIS Abuja, were attacked on Sunday morning by suspected operatives of the indigenous people of Biafra ipob and Eastern Security Network ESN while on transit to Port Harcourt, Rivers State. As I said before, this is the normal thing the police said, do say, like anything that happened in ESN ipob without investigation though. A police wireless message on Sunday said the incident occurred at about 9 a.m. at MRS Fuel Station, Abo, Omo, Londo, Okigwe, Imo State. According to a report from the Okigwe division, the attackers opened fire on the squad, leaving 3 officers injured. They were promptly rushed to General Hospital Okigwe for medical intervention. Inspector Omar Mohammed was confirmed dead on arrival, while Inspector Omo Neri Onuseyi and CPL Adamu Babajada were stabilized for onward transfer to the Federal Medical Center Owerri. During the ensuing gun duel, the SIS team neutralized one of the attackers and recovered one AK-47 rifle, breech number 533064, 3 magazines, 28 rounds of live ammunition, and charms. Information was received from Supo Okigwe Division mine that men of IGP Special Intervention Squad SIS Abuja on transit to Port Harcourt, Rivers State were attacked by suspected ipob ESN terrorists at MRS Fuel Station Abo, Omondo Okigwe mine, the report says. So what I read now is just as a report the police sent. So police said these people are suspected that. So all this issue of insecurity in the southeast, as I said before, could be brought under control. Boko Haram could be brought under control. All these issues, insecurity is not what you can defeat without strategy. Boko Haram, they need a Sharia state. Give it to them. Conduct a referendum. You will see that majority want this Sharia state. Majority want it and let them have it. This is my opinion because we are playing now. Let me give you another example. You might say, oh, no, we can't, because there is already Sharia in Nigerian constitution. They are already practicing all this. So why is it that people are stopping Boko Haram not to achieve what they want? People might not understand what I'm saying. Politicians are sponsoring them, whether you like it or not. Politicians believe in that ideology. Top politicians, majority of the politicians in this country. So give it to them. The middle belt, what they want to give it to them. Like, we must not share blood because of disagreement. We must not share blood because of disagreement. Like me, I hate crime. I hate crime. If I see someone and I know that this person have personally killed, that is the end of our communication. I will not mingle with you again because there is blood in your hand. Unless I don't know. That is the level at which I hate crime and sharing of blood. So when I see all these things going on, it makes me keep thinking of the solution to all these things. And everybody is just jumping up and down, including the policemen, DS. They don't have the solution to all these things. They don't have the solution. You can keep on deceiving the people that your men are on ground, your men will go and fight Boko Haram, your men are in the south. Are they providing solution? It's not all about your men are here, your men are here. Were they able to provide solution to the insecurity problem? And the question is no. No. They don't have the solution to it. So that is my own opinion regarding all these things, that if you want insecurity to stop in the southeast, release Nnamdi Kanu. If you want insecurities to stop in the northern part of the country, organize a referendum for them. If the majority believe in Sharia, give it to them. This is like self-determination. Yes, either you like it or not. This is a self-determination. If it is a developed country, other developed countries like Europe, a majority of people or some peaceful group of people have different ideology, they are radical, and some politicians are supporting them, they will have room for a referendum. Because others would not like to associate with them. So they have to be 2 states, 3 states, 4 states, 5 states. So if you say something like this, because of people from the south, some politicians have connection with the Gunmen and the Biafra, some of the politicians in the north have connection with the oil in the south, nobody wants to bring solution because they are profiting from the instability. And like I do say before, with this, Nigeria is not sustainable.